What is an ex parte order? An ex parte order is a court order made without notifying or hearing the other party in the case. What ex parte means? Ex parte is Latin word which means from one party. It means only one side appears before the judge to request the order. When is it used? Ex parte orders are usually granted in urgent situation where waiting to notify the other party could cause harm, lead to loss of property or evidence, put someone in danger. Common examples: restraining or protection orders, namely domestic violence cases; emergency child custody orders; temporary injunctions to stop someone from doing something immediately; freezing bank accounts or assets. Is ex parte is important? The answer is no. An ex parte order is usually temporary. The court will later schedule a full hearing where both parties can present their arguments, and the judge will decide whether to extend, modify, or cancel the order. Ex parte in family law. An ex parte order is a temporary court order passed without hearing the other party, usually spouse oblique partner, because the situation is urgent. Where it is used: family law, India. Courts in India like family court or magistrate court pass ex parte orders in cases such as: first, domestic violence cases under Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005. Court can give protection order, residence order, or maintenance immediately. If the woman is in danger, court may pass order without calling the husband first. Second, maintenance cases under section 125 CRPC. If husband doesn't appear despite notice, court may pass ex parte maintenance order. Third, child custody or guardianship. Court may grant temporary custody to one party if children's safety is at risk. Fourth, injunction or stay orders to stop harassment, dispossession, or interference in matrimonial home. Important points: temporary relief. Ex parte order is not final. Next hearing is fixed. Other party gets chance to come and reply. Can be challenged. Opposite party can apply to set aside the ex parte order. Simple example: wife files complaint saying husband is threatening her, immediately protection needed. Court may pass ex parte protection order same day. Later, husband will be called to court for full hearing. What if ex parte order is passed against you? You can file application to set aside ex parte order. So valid reasons like no notice, genuine absence, request fresh hearing. Ex parte order in civil cases. An ex parte order or ex parte decree means the court decides the case in absence of the defendant opposite party when they don't appear despite proper notice. Legal basis in India. Under Code of Civil Procedure 1908, Order 9, Rule 6 CPC, court can proceed ex parte if defendant is absent, or Order 9, Rule 13 CPC, defendant can apply to set aside ex parte decree. When does ex parte happen? Answer. Court may pass ex parte order when defendant does not appear on hearing date, summons was properly served, no valid reason for absence. Types in civil cases. Number 1. Ex parte order interim. Temporary order, stay injunction, etc. Passed in urgent situations without hearing other side. Number 2. Ex parte decree, final judgment, final decision of the case without defendant's participation. Example: money recovery suit decided against defendant. Example: files a civil suit against B for 5 lakh recovery. Court sent summon to B. B does not come to court. Court hears only A and passes ex parte decree against B. How to challenge ex parte decree? Defendant has options. First, set aside application under Section 9, Rule 13 CPC show sufficient cause like no notice, illness, etc. As court to reopen the case. Second, appeal. File appeal in higher court against ex parte decree. Time limit. Application under Order 9, Rule 13, 30 days from knowledge of decree. What is important? If summons was not properly served, strong ground to cancel. If you ignored court notice, court may reject your application. In criminal cases, the role of ex parte order in criminal cases. The concept of an ex parte order is not used in the same way as civil cases. Criminal law generally does not allow decisions without hearing the accused because it directly affects liberty. But there are some situations where courts pass orders in absence of one party, which people loosely call ex parte. Legal position in India of ex parte. Under Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, trial cannot normally proceed ex parte against the accused. Court must ensure fair hearing and opportunity of decree. Where ex parte like orders happen in criminal law. First, maintenance cases under Section 125 CRPC if husband doesn't appear beside notice. Magistrate can pass an ex parte maintenance order. Second, interim/urgent orders. In some situations, court may pass temporary orders without hearing other side. Protection orders, domestic violence matters. Interim maintenance, search warrant/attachment orders. These are urgent and later the other party gets a chance to be heard. Third, proclamation/absconding accused under Section 82 CRPC. If accused is absconding, court can declare them proclaimed offender. Proceedings may continue in limited way. Fourth, summary cases / petty offences. If accused repeatedly fails to appear, court may proceed in absence in limited situations, but safeguards apply. Important difference: civil versus criminal. Civil case ex parte decree easily possible, but criminal case no punishment without hearing accused. Principle of natural justice. If order passed in your absence, you can file application to recall, set aside order, show valid reason, no notice, illness, genuine absence, request fresh hearing. Simple example: person files maintenance case, husband doesn't attend court, court passes ex parte maintenance order, husband letter can apply to cancel it with valid reason. This is the thorough illustration of ex parte order in India in family court, in civil court, and in criminal court. For more, stay tuned. Wait for next video. If you like the video, please like, subscribe, comment my channel. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.